tan. My face is so white. I don't know how much we're gonna get done today just because we had a party here at my mother-in-law's yesterday and we're all exhausted, but we're gonna get started. So for today's tasks, we have a few things. We bought the night tables you guys saw in one of my last vlogs, so we're gonna assemble that for sure. This is from Alan and I's wedding. It was our card box. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet because it's been in the storage at my mother-in-law's. It's pretty big. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it in this room. Probably not. We also brought the extension cords, some vinyl. Our idea with this is we're gonna vinyl these like little shelves. We painted everything white, but this is like, it's so old. As you can see, like even if we tried to sand it down, I don't think it would work. So we're gonna try putting vinyl. I bought 2 lamps from IKEA, and then this is from our wedding. So this is our neon sign. I had to buy an adapter for it. And then this is our wedding painting, which I freaking absolutely love. I was thinking about putting both of those above the bed here, but we do need to kind of figure it out. Hopefully we're gonna do that as well today.
Sex, do it right. Sex, through the night. Sex, do it right. Sex, through the night.
First nightstand is complete. Now on to number 2. Literally an hour and a half later, and we finally got them set up. So this is gonna be my side of the bed, that's gonna be Alan's. This is just how we have it set up at home. I think I like it like this. I don't feel like I want it like right beside my bed, but Alan wants his right beside his bed, so I don't know. These are what the little lamps look like. I'm actually kind of glad we went with the more warm color, just because like it's gonna be better at night. Like you can even tell now, it just looks better. It's not as like white bright, but it's so cute. A little bit of an update, we just put up the sign. Originally Alan wanted it lower and then we were gonna put our wedding painting above it, but we figured this looked better. Because this is like a white light, I actually took the light bulbs out of these lamps and I'm gonna change it. And then right now Alan started vinyling the inside of these shelves. So this one's done and this one's done, and as you can see it matches perfectly with the white paint. We just ran out of it, so we need to order more, and then we're gonna go over here and here. I did not record anything during the day today. This lighting is doing me dirty, oh my god. But I didn't record anything during the day today because I went to the office and I was swamped. Like the day just flew by, which was a good thing, but I did not have a second to pick up my camera. I was just go, getting so much done. Today is October 21st and it is 27 degrees outside. That is absolutely insane. Alan and I thought that our tennis, like outdoor tennis, was over because it got cold, and now it's hot again. So we were like, well, we might as well take advantage. So we're gonna go play some tennis. We literally got home 10 minutes ago. We went upstairs, we changed, and now we're here. We don't usually come to these courts. I think we've been here a few times maybe in the vlogs, but we like going to nicer ones. But this court has lights because it gets dark fast now for this time of year. This is the little tennis dress I'm wearing. It's actually just an activewear dress from Muscle Nation that just released today. It's so funny because Muscle Nation is in Australia, but like their time of year is opposite to us. Like they're just starting summer, so like they're releasing all the summer clothes. Hey, Booba. Oh, you sleepy? It's a big yawn. I don't even know where to put you guys. I'm like in bed and I don't have a tripod. My goodness, I feel like today has been such a freaking write-off. We played tennis for like literally not even 15 minutes and it got dark, but the lights weren't working. I don't know why. It was like 6:50 and then the people beside us said that the lights don't turn on till 7:30. There's a switch there that you can switch it on, but it just doesn't work. So I guess like the city of Burlington just has it preset or something, but like this time of year, it's literally dark dark by like 6:55, maybe even earlier. Even when we were playing, I don't even know how to describe it. Like I felt like I was straining my eyes trying to see the ball, and it was like making my head hurt. So we played for 15 minutes and then it was too dark and we were like, okay, we can't do this, which sucked. They definitely need to turn those damn lights on earlier. Like honestly, I was thinking like I should call the city of Burlington and be like, can you change that? I looked at the weather for the rest of the week and it's gonna be cold again, so it's like I'm not even gonna be going back to play tennis, I don't think. Right now I'm just gonna write my planner for tomorrow, everything I need to get done. This was my list from today and I didn't even get like half of it done, so I need to fill in what I need to do tomorrow, and then I'm gonna start this book. This is the third and final book of the series. The first two I read so fast. They were literally so freaking good. Like Frida McFadden might be my new fave. I really like the thrillers, and she has really good twists at the end of her books. I finished reading the second one yesterday and I was like for the entire like last couple chapters. It was insane. So I'm really excited to start this one. Good morning guys, happy Tuesday. I have a lot on the list to get done today. First things first, I have no groceries and it's Tuesday, so that's gonna be the first thing we're doing this morning. I am back from Walmart. This is $133. Let's go through everything I got. These cheese croissants are so freaking good. Alan's obsessed with them, so I keep buying them for him for work. For meat, we got the boneless, skinless chicken thighs and some salmon, as well as some all beef hot dogs and turkey bacon. I've never tried this before, but it's a prebiotic multi-grain bread, so I picked that up. I haven't had these in a long time, but I got rice cakes, so I got apple, cinnamon, and just original. Doritos chips, Nutella, some Honeycrisp apples because I want to make some apple muffins hopefully today, sour cream and 2% milk. I'm not sure if Alan's gonna like that bread, so I also got English muffins, 18 carton of eggs, avocados were on sale, raspberries. I got 2 boxes of Eggos, we got chocolate chip and the cinnamon toast, 1 box of the Quaker Oats protein maple and brown sugar oatmeal, a bunch of bananas, and we also needed cream cheese. The whipped one was 2 for $8, so I got 2. These Yope yogurt drinks are always 5 for $5, so I picked up 5 in the strawberry banana. I got some Alfredo sauce because I have some pasta I want to make this week. And then I bought this big bunch of gold kiwis. I've never had gold ones before, but they're actually apparently good for fertility because they have a lot of folate. And if you know anything about trying to conceive, folate is good for you. So I put the groceries away and now I am just walking to the nail salon. I don't even know if you guys can hear me because the traffic is very loud. I don't have an appointment, but it's like a Tuesday midday. I don't feel like it's going to be busy, hopefully. My nails are disgusting. They're so freaking bad. I think it's like 3.5 weeks of this. I don't know what color I'm gonna get done. Something fall, so I feel like something neutral again. I kind of want to do brown, but I'm like, I just did that last time, so we'll see. Back home, nails are done. I ended up going with this like bluish gray color. I've actually done it a few times before, and I don't know why. It was just calling my name today for some reason. They had this new like beautiful deep like red burgundy color that I really wanted to do, but I feel like because so many of my nails broke, they're really short right now, and I feel like that deep red burgundy color will look really good probably the next time I get my nails done, because my nails will be a little bit longer and it's just gonna look more sleek and good. So I'm gonna save that color for the next time I get my nails done. That time will probably be the last time that I go to this nail salon, because after that Alan and I will be moving to Brampton. So I'm really sad. I love the girls that work there and they do such a good job, so I'm already like feeling sad even though it's a few weeks away, but now I'm in the mood to bake. I love trying new fall recipes, and I found this apple crumble muffin that looks delicious, so we're gonna make that now. Here is the final product of the muffins. I wish you guys could smell my house right now. It smells absolutely insane. The recipe said it was gonna make 12, but it actually made 5 extras for me. I don't know why. So these ones are still really hot. I just took them out. These ones are a little bit cool now, so I'm gonna taste test them. I also am just filming this for TikTok, so don't mind me. They smell so good. It's unbelievable. Wow. It honestly just tastes like a little apple pie in a muffin. And the crumble on top, oh my god, it was just flour, sugar, cinnamon, and butter. So good.
Can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that away. 'Cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful.
Oh my. It's a good thing that I actually did a workout first thing this morning, because now it is like the late afternoon and that time of the month came and I just like, I'm not feeling well and I don't really want to do anything. I have just been in bed for the last like 3 or 4 hours watching Gilmore Girls. In this current second, I'm feeling slightly better, and there was something that I did want to do today, so I think I'm gonna try and get it done now. With us moving, I want to like go through my pantry stuff and just get rid of things that we don't eat and that are still good, but they're just kind of sitting here. I always do this like a couple times a year, but especially when it like starts to get cold and over the winter, I like putting together like these little baggies of stuff that are just kind of sitting around my house, and I give it to homeless people. And like I said, with us moving, I have to clear all of this stuff anyways, and instead of throwing it in the garbage, I want to put together these little baggies again, and I just like to keep them in my car, because now that it is getting colder, I'm starting to see a lot more people, you know, at the exits off of highways or at red lights, stuff like that. So this is mainly our snack little cabinet. I haven't really been adding to it because I knew we were moving, so I just want to kind of go through what's here. This bin, honestly, these are things that have been open for a while and they're probably not good, so I'm just gonna throw everything out in this one. There's a bunch of these like strawberry cereal bars. Alan loves these, but he likes a different brand. I don't know what the case was. We went to Walmart or something and they didn't have the brand that he likes, so we tried a new one and he didn't like it. So instead of throwing them out, I'm going to throw these in the little baggies. These are Quaker bars. These are still good, so I'm gonna throw those in, as well as these Special K cookies and cream crisps. I have some candy and I have a couple packs of Oreos. I also do have these Alani Nu energy drinks and these Body Armor drinks that have kind of just been sitting around my house. So I think I'm gonna throw those in also. Honestly, these and even these drinks, they're delicious, but I just don't really drink energy drinks that much anymore. And Alan's been trying to not drink them or caffeine in general, because I mean, you guys are well aware at this point that we are trying to have a baby and caffeine hinders that a little bit, or you're supposed to limit your caffeine intake. So we're just trying to do that. Threw everything that I have in this little bin and I'm just gonna sort it. I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 drinks. So I'm gonna try and make 7 little baggies. There we are, my 7 little baggies. It's not a lot, I know, but it is a little bit of something. Honestly, every time I've given somebody one of these bags, they've been so grateful. So there's just a couple snackies in there and a drink. And like I said, I'm just gonna keep them in my car in the back seat, and then when I come across somebody, I'll offer it to them. Usually they always accept, and it's a nice little deed to do. If you're looking for a little way to give back, this is definitely a really good budget-friendly option. Or you can just consider donating, but I like doing this. It makes me feel good. I know it helps people. So yeah, I will put this in my car later tonight. Making these bags is like the highlight of my day. day. So I think I'm actually going to end this vlog here because I am not up to anything special today. Like I said, it is that time of the month. My stomach is killing and I just want to hang out in bed. Or should I say rot in bed? Because that's what I always do on the first day of my cycle. It's just, we need to hang out in bed. So I hope you guys did enjoy this weekly vlog. Make sure to subscribe to me down below and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.